All right, gang. See, I did it along. All right, gang. It's HD Harold Dufrenes. I did that because of my reels. I start too soon. Me and Mrs. D's eating out. It's a Sunday. Where are we? Well, we're in New Orleans. We're in the Algiers area. Wow, Algiers area. So where are we coming eat at? Well, gang, we're coming eat at a place that just reopened their dining room. And I figured I've been wanting to come to this location for a while. And the day we were supposed to come eat here, we were supposed to come eat here like a few days after this incident happened. But let me say where we're at first. We are at the Branch Cafe right here. We are at the Algiers location. And if you don't know, this is the location that somebody unfortunately drove through, even though there was no drive-through a few months ago. It's reopened the dining room, gang. It's open dining room. You can see the sign right here. And look, they put some barricades over here because they don't want nobody to hit this, go in the building again. Look like they put some brand new barricades over here. People better watch out if they're driving over here. Now, gang, I think the dining room was closed for a few months. They were just doing pickup. But me and Mrs. D been wanting to come and try this one. Now we went to the other location that's located in the little mall, little strip mall area. But we wanted to come try this one. Now the first time we ever came eat at Olive Branch, we had a great experience. I remember I got a sandwich. I got that house salad, which was fantastic. I don't know what we're gonna get this time. Mrs. D's eyeing pasta maybe. I'm eyeing a sandwich. I don't know. You know, HD, I love me sandwiches. I love me sandwiches, matey. And so we're going to come give it a shot and see what we got over here. The Olive Branch. I think they just opened. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I think they just opened up this location back up recently. I think it was this week. I think it was a few days ago I saw in their Facebook account. All right, gang. Me and Mrs. D are going to go give it a shot. It's a nice sunny day today, it's Sunday, and we will go give it a shot. Let's go inside and see if it's as good as the other location. I'm fairly confident it will be. Fingers crossed. We have a great meal over here today. All right, gang, let's go check it out. All right, gang, we made it in now. I'm gonna be adjusting this volume on this one because I know we're sitting right next to the speaker, so I know it's gonna be loud over here. So Mrs. D said you could see where the paneling, they had to change the paneling over here, but let me show you. Dining room's open. It's quiet right now. It's 11:30 on a Sunday. I don't know if the word got out yet that they're open or not, but again, it's a nice place. You sit down, and they're sitting over there too. So, well, I guess this is the door that somebody, I don't know how in the world somebody wrecked into this place. All right. So, what did we get? Well, last time I got the Italian stuff, and that was delicious. So I didn't want to get the same thing, but I wanted to get that house salad to see if it's as good as at this location as it is the other one. So I got the muffalata sub today. It's a sandwich and salad combo for $18. I got the muffalata sub. I haven't had a muffalata in forever. People thought when I went to eat at Francesca's that it was a muffalata, but it was the moon. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to the salad too. I hope the salad is as good and big as the other one was. Mrs. D got the pasta Alfredo. She added chicken. Is that correct, Mrs. D? So That sounds good too. And I think that was 12 for an Alfredo plus chicken 4, so about like 16 bucks or so. So we're looking forward to it. Now the dressing I got for my house salad, he said it comes Italian, so I got the Italian dressing. It was good last time. Why stray if it was good? Alrighty, we got our waters. We're ready to go. It's not busy in here, so hopefully we'll get our food fairly quickly. All right, we'll be back whenever our food starts coming. All right, gang. Got my salad. This salad every time. I mean, I went got it at the other location, and I got it over here. And I'm gonna tell you this. Every time I get this, and this is a small. Oh my God! Can you imagine the big, the large? Oh man! So it always amazes me with how much pepperoni they got, olives. Oh. Maybe I shouldn't be eating a salad this day and age, but I can't help it. Wow, they have bell peppers and green olives. I tell you what, this is a meal itself, just about. It really is. All right, dang. I don't know what else to say about the salad, but this house salad is overflowing and it's amazing. Wow. I'm probably gonna be almost full just eating this. All right, gang. I mean, I can't talk more about the salad. I showed it last time I ate. And I'm gonna show it one more time. You get spoiled with when you get a salad like this for a house salad because it's loaded and it's big. All right, gang. I'm gonna finish this up, and whenever my sandwich comes and Mrs. D gets her food, we'll be ready to go. All right, gang. We got our food. Let me tell you. I'm trying to get this salad down, but whew, it is. I'm working on it. So here's my muffalata sub, and there's Mrs. D's pasta Alfredo with chicken, added chicken. All right, here's my muffalata sub over here. I tell you what, it looks hot. I'm still working on my sandwich. But let me work on this. There's no way I'm gonna eat all this over here. This is a lot of food over here, gang. So let's give it a shot. I see the olive salad. I see the meat in there. Cheese, it looks like, on the bottom. Very good. And I'm not joking around. Tell you what, usually you get your muffalata on a traditional muffalata bread, you know, but now, this is how a sandwich should be. The meat's grilled, it's hot. Oh, that olive salad on top of it is just awesome. Wow. That's good. All right, Mrs. D, how's your pasta Alfredo? She said it's good. All right, gang. I'm thinking we're gonna have leftovers. I know Mrs. D's definitely gonna have that thing is big enough to feed 3 people, it looks like. So we'll finish up everything. So far, my sandwich is great. I know people say, you know, whenever I come eat here, I've happened before, and it said, you should try this, you should try that. I like this. I like this combo. I like the sandwich and I like the salad combo. It's my thing. I like it. I like to get what I like. All right, gang. Tell you what, let's me and Mrs. D is gonna finish all this up. And look, unless something drastically changes, oh yeah. All right, gang. Let's give our final thoughts outside, shall we? It's a quick one. We did it quick. All right, gang. We made it out of Olive Branch in Algiers in the Orleans location. Like I said, there's 2 locations. We wanted to come to this one because they just reopened the dining room. It looked nice in there. It was nice and clean, wasn't it, Mrs. D?
Yep.
It was very nice and clean in there. Tell you what, it's if you like a clean place, this is a clean place. All right, so we Mrs. D got the pasta Alfredo, add chicken, and I got my muffalata sub and the house salad. It was a special, $18 for the sandwich and the salad. I think it was like 14 or 15 just for the sandwich, so it's a good deal. Let me see. I mean, everything to me, the service was good. The little guy working, he was good. He was very polite, very friendly. I mean, how much? What was our total? It was 37. Yeah, 37. I mean, we got a ton of food left over. Mrs. D even didn't put a dent in that pasta, and that pasta was hot. I'm gonna tell you. Now look, my sub, my muffalata sub was just what I wanted. The meat was hot. It was grilled, unlike another place I went a week ago where it was a cold sandwich they served me. I think it should have been hot. This was fantastic. That house salad, I know you could have got a Caesar salad or a Greek salad, I think, with the meal, but I like the house salad over here at Olive Branch. You get tons of stuff in there, and that's exactly what I like. The Italian dressing was great on that. And like I said, my sandwich was fantastic. Gang, I'm gonna give this the same score I gave the other one. I mean, it's the same food. I wanted to come see if it was a little different. It's the same food. It's still great. It's clean in there. The music's a little loud, but we were sitting next to the speaker. But it is what it is. We could have sat on the other side of the room and it probably been a little bit lower, but no big deal. All right, so the same score I gave it last time, or did I give it last time? I gave it an A. I'm giving it another A over here at Olive Branch. I'm glad we came eat here on a Sunday. All right, Mrs. D, what do you say?
I say it was good and hot. It was still steaming when I put the leftovers in the box.
Yeah, I was scared you were going to melt that box whenever you put it in there. It was so hot.
It was good. I give it an A.
You give it an A. It's a good little place, I'm going to tell you. And you get so much food. My goodness. You're going to, if you would want to, you could eat the 3 day. You're going to have to give that to Lexi or something to eat, because I know we're going to have other food for dinner. We're on diet, so we fix our meals before we go to work. And wow, we're going to have so much food. I'm going to eat that sandwich tomorrow at work. I know I will. Or maybe even tonight. Who knows? I usually haven't been eating dinner. Maybe I'll splurge. All right, gang. 2 A's from the Dufrenes. Can't go wrong. All right, we're going to talk about this place and other places on Food Chat with HD on Tuesday nights at 8:30 and on Sunday nights after show chat at 9 p.m. Till next time, we're in New Orleans. I'm glad we came over here. Come try them out. If you don't know, the dining room's open over here. And come give them some business. It was slow in there, and hopefully they do well. I see more people coming in, so hopefully more and more the word gets out that the dining room's open. It looks like more people's coming in. So till next time, later.